It doesn't matter whether I do it wide angle or not. Now, I'm just tired from that first rep, but I just want to show y'all, actually, when you do it the wide angle, you get more rest. I'm not sure if I did that 75, but it's my second rep, so of course my hand's gonna be tired. But even y'all see, even when I do it the wide way, it doesn't make a difference. The point of these things is when you make it click, the strain is on your hand. One guy tried to tell me, you're not doing it right because you're not going wide enough. I told this dude, I said, it doesn't matter. Whenever I challenge somebody, I say, do it however you want. You can do it wide, you can do it short, just make sure it clicks. You see, that's why I tell everybody, it don't matter how you do it. Just make it click. I don't care how you make it click, just make it click. Feel me? So y'all just seen right there, it's my second rep. I'm kind of tired. Plus I'm holding the phone, takes away from energy. I do 75 on a wide angle. It doesn't matter.